What it do, YouTube? This your boy Richie Rich Mo, back at it again with another video. Today is draft day. No, anyways, shout out to everybody that's watching the video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you do two things: like and subscribe. We are growing every single day. Today, not doing that the real major. Today, I am buying a new filter for my 350Z. This one is extremely dirty, especially y'all that know from all the smoke and all that stuff out here in California, especially in the North Cal. Man, it's damaged so much of cars and everything, but it's very, very important to change and clean your cold air intakes filter. So mine is extremely dirty. The color is horrible, and I just been procrastinating to get it done. But today I'm gonna buy the filter. And yesterday was my birthday. Shout out to me. I just made 32. I made 32 years old yesterday. So, and I don't even look it. I don't crack. Hey, but anyways, man, I'm just excited. So let's go into AutoZone and let's go pick us up the intake filter. Let's go. Oh my gosh, car is extremely dirty, but we're gonna lock this door. Car is dirty, man. Rain has got to my car. It's been a minute, y'all, but let's go see it. Jeter, whatever. 35. These are the air filters that I need. This is where I get them at. So you can go to AutoZone and grab one if you're not real too picky about which one you want to do. But for mine, these are like the perfect size that I use for mine. So ready? So I got black, red, blue. Since my Z is blue, I'm gonna roll with the blue one. Just a nice size one. That's all I need. A blue one. So you guys can grab this anywhere. You can go to O'Reilly's too, but AutoZone is right by my house. So you can see this one is 3.5 to 4 inches. Nice size. This is perfect. You can work with it. You can make it bigger or smaller. So this is the intake I'm gonna grab filter. Okay, so yeah, I use this. I already use them on both my cars. But yeah, so I'm gonna roll with the blue one because it actually matches the car. You can actually see it. Black you wouldn't see it. But yeah, so this is where you go to grab your filters. Now, this is exactly what I'm talking about. This intake used to be blue and it's extremely fucking dirty. So we got a replacement. So I'll be replacing that for this. And I'm gonna throw that one away. Then once these start getting a little bit dirty, I'm gonna start cleaning these. But that's how I'm gonna show you guys. Let me go here. Right, here goes the next day. Took the bumper off, and I got a new bumper coming very, very soon. But right now, for the time being, gotta get this off the car. I likely want to take this off because my windshield wipers doesn't work, and this will actually reduce some of the weight. So I'm actually going to be taking this off because I don't even need it. It doesn't even work. I had to clean side of the engine bay. So all I'm going to do now is have access to take that filter off, and we're going to put the brand new filter on. But that's why I like the quick release. It's so easy to just take this shit off and then put it back on. Makes the work easy. A lot of people are like, why you still got this on? Because I want to. So now, anyways, I got to clean this engine bay. Carbon fiber is all dirty. Everything is dirty, but it's all good. I got to clean it anyways. But let me get the filter out because I'm going to take it off down there and go from there. Got the filter right here. Like I said, you guys go to AutoZone. You can get these for different prices for whatever size you need. I got a perfect size. It was like $29.99. Got a blue one to match the wheels and everything. I do got to clean this car too, but let's get this taken care of right now. All right, cool. This part off. Yeah. No, it's yours. I put it over there. I put it on the chair by the table. I know, I heard. Okay. I'll be in there in a second. I'm gonna swap this out real quick. All right, y'all. So this is the filter that was inside my car. Extremely fucking dirty. And it's supposed to be the same exact color as my new one. So let me show you the new one compared to this one. This is disgusting. It is bad, and it had a little damage. It was an 001. And now with the new one, night and day. See the difference between the filters? One was supposed to be, they both supposed to be this color, but that's how bad this one was. It was been overdue. I've just been bullshitting, but next time I'm not gonna bullshit. Once I see it gets a little bit dirty, I'm gonna just monitor it and just keep cleaning before it gets to that. But the big difference, and very important, to make sure you guys always clean your filters. And if you don't want to clean it, fuck it, just buy a new one. But like I said, you should not let it get to this point, and this is horrible. So, yep, got a fresh one ready to install. Everything comes pre-oiled and everything, so all you just do is just slap it back on, and we good. So, I'm about to slap this one on, and we are good. All right, y'all, so it's the second day, another day, the next day. Basically, everything is good. Car runs perfectly, of course. I mean, it's just changing the filter, but everything is cool. The car is amazing. And I do want to show you guys how the car looks on the outside with the new filter that is supposed to look like the blue one. But overall, man, this car is just so fun, man. It's just so fun to drive these cars. These cars are so powerful for what they are. And you know what I'm saying? Nissan really did a good job. I just wish Nissan was just a little bit better with the engineering as far as like making the engine a little bit more reliable. But I mean, other than that, 350Z is a fucking amazing car. I mean, if I could do it again and buy it again, I definitely would. And this time I would actually buy it earlier and sooner than I actually did. But yeah, so I got to get ready because today is supposed to be a big car meet, and I'm about to be rolling with High Rev Garage. So y'all gonna love what I'm about to make with that video. I'm getting back into the videos. But yeah, I had to show you guys that you guys can change your air filter, and you can buy a backup one, AutoZone's or Rayleigh's, just whatever you prefer, or even if you just want to order from your maker, whoever makes your intakes. But yeah, you can just grab them. It's very convenient, and they're not expensive at all. So I'm gonna show you guys the car from the outside, then we're gonna end the video. And yeah, let's go. Okay. Now you see, that's how blue is supposed to be. It's supposed to be super clear like that. Super, super clean, just like that. So that's how the blue looks. Looks good. Looks amazing. Oh yeah, car is dirty. About to get it cleaned after I get off the camera. But see how the blue complements the blue. Yep. All right, y'all, so I'm about to end the video here. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the YouTube channel. I appreciate it, and it's just gonna get better and better. Like I said, later on tonight, got a car meet I'm going to, and I'm about to be vlogging. So yeah, hope you guys have a blessed one. Stay tuned for the next video. We out.